Hi, I am RAGENDHU, second year data science student. Here I am going to demonstrate one of the Google AI experiments, Cartoonify. Cartoonify is an AI experiment that turns a photo into a cartoon with a neural network. This project was based on Dan Macnish Draw This Project, which was a camera that turned the image it took into cartoons. Instead of requiring a Raspberry Pi based camera, this site allows anyone to try cartooning any images. For best result, we should try using images with clear objects on a solid background. Let's try what happens when artificial intelligence try to draw your photo. We can upload a photo and open it. This is the cartoon of the image we uploaded. Let's try another example. This is the output. Thank you.